2, 1. Yes! Yes, Pyro!
It looked awful on my end.
On my end, that was perfect. Oh, this...
Yeah.
Look,
like
I'm used to using the
normal
caneness.
people.
I'm
Like a
sorry.
Rex. Like a Rex.
I'm sorry, I don't use Rexes.
You used to. You used to be pure. I just imagine, like, they're, like, just fucking studying the answers, just like... And they just go fucking feral immediately and go for it.
You have alerted the horde.
You just hear the fucking Left 4 Dead fucking horde sound.
Tag! Fucking crap.
Do it again.
Maybe I will, bitch. Maybe I will. No, that's the problem though, is in a perfect world, I like time that perfectly.
Yeah? Uh-huh. Yeah?
I'm so disappointed.
Uh-huh.
Fuck
Why
you.
is that? Was it too late?
No, the fact that you even did it in the first place. Like...
Because that's what I was going for. That's why I told you to do it again.
Don't fucking whap my ass and tell me do it again. Fucking whap.
Oh, my thumb went up. Damn.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. So fucking late. This is why I'm not counting it down, because I know we're gonna be late.
Then count it down again and I'll do it sooner.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh god damn it, the fucking thumb. I hate the fucking this pisses me off. I hate it every time. Because I can't ever menu.
Hold on, do it again. Do the fucking do. Dude, fucking okay, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. So fucking late.
Oh, it looked good on my end. It looked
On my end, that was like a full 0.5 seconds late, dude.
fine. I'll do it the moment you start counting down then.
3,
'Cause I did that
2,
too.
what? I said what instead of one. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Yes, Pyro!
It looked awful on my end.
On my end, that was
Absolute
perfect.
garbage.
On my end, that was spot on.